how are you? I am fine. I hope you are also same. Today I am going to tell you about the lesson parts of plant. The parts of the plant are leaf, flower, stem and root. Today I am going to discuss you about the parts of the flower. Flowers are of two types, unisexual flower and bisexual flower. The name itself indicates that uni means only one or single. A flower which contain either male reproductive part or female reproductive part. Such flowers are called as unisexual flowers. Example for such flowers are the flowers of the bitter gourd. And next flower is bisexual flower. The name itself indicates bi means two. A flower which contains both male and female reproductive parts. Such flower is called as bisexual flowers. Example for that flower is datura and hibiscus. Now coming to the floral parts or parts of the flower. The parts of the flower are arranged in four whorls. They are calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. Calyx and corolla are the external parts of the flower, whereas androecium and gynoecium are the internal parts of the flower. Androecium is the male reproductive part of the flower and gynoecium is the female reproductive part of the flower. Androecium consisting of filament, pollen sac. It is otherwise called as anther, where the pollen grains are stored in it. Filament and pollen sac together called as stamen. Stamen is nothing but androecium, male reproductive part of the flower. Coming to the gynoecium, gynoecium consisting of stigma, style and ovary. These three parts together called as the pistil. Pistil is nothing but gynoecium, female reproductive part of the flower. Now, I took datura flower to explain the floral parts because datura flower is a bisexual flower. It contains both male and female reproductive parts. This one is the stalk and this bulged portion of the flower is called as thalamus. Thalamus is the portion where the floral parts are seated over the thalamus. This green colored tube-like structure is called as calyx. Calyx protects the internal parts of the flower and it also protects the flower during the young stage, that in the bud stage it protects the flower. And the edges of this calyx is called as sepals. These green color edges are called as sepals. And next part is corolla. This corolla is formed by the fusion of the petals. These are the petals. These petals are fused to form the corolla. These are the external parts of the flower. Coming to the internal parts of the flower, the datura flower contains 5 stamens, means 5 male reproductive parts. The stamen consisting of white thread-like structure called as filament, and this one is the anther or pollen sac in which the pollen grains are stored in it. This is the male reproductive part of the flower. Coming to the female reproductive part of the flower, female reproductive part of the flower consisting of this bead-like structure. This is known as stigma and this one is style and this one is ovary. These three structures together called the pistil. Pistil is nothing but the female reproductive part of the flower. So students, this is all about the floral parts of the flower. Thank you.